Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Toast POS online ordering for profit growth, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Toast POS online ordering for profit growth, begin by logging into your Toast account. Navigate to the online ordering section in the dashboard. Select the option to enable online ordering features. Review the available plans and features tailored for your business needs. Choose a plan that aligns with your target market and sales goals. Proceed to input your restaurant's details, including location and operating hours. Set up your menu items in the online ordering system. Ensure all dishes are categorized correctly for easy navigation. Add images and descriptions to enhance customer appeal. Configure pricing and any special promotions for online orders. Implement any necessary delivery options, such as third-party couriers or in-house delivery. Customize your online ordering interface to match your brand identity. Review the settings for payment processing to ensure smooth transactions. Test the ordering process to identify any user experience issues. Utilize analytics tools provided by Toast to monitor order performance. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the data collected. Promote your new online ordering service through social media and email campaigns. Encourage customer feedback to improve the overall experience. Regularly update your menu and promotions to keep offerings fresh. Track sales growth and refine your strategy accordingly to maximize profit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.